How to fix the problem of you must be logged into Amazon App Store. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, open up your settings application. You can simply type in settings here. As you do so, you will see apps button here. Click onto apps and then click on installed apps. Here you will see all the applications that you have downloaded. In here, type in Amazon. For instance, if this is your Amazon App Store, click onto it, then click on uninstall. Once you have uninstalled it, let's go ahead and reinstall it. At the below search bar of your PC, type in Microsoft Store. As you open Microsoft Store, simply type in Amazon App Store. Once done, if you see Amazon App Store here, click onto it, then click on install. Once done, get logged into your account and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then go ahead and download Amazon App Store from a web browser, and that shall definitely do it. So guys, that is all for today, and thank you for watching.